really worked hard and took small steps. Our relationship with customers were more valuable than meeting dollars and cents and time frame.
And we do sales, service, and repairs.
I think the COVID put us in a level of awareness. We saw a drastic fall in business. I think we lost 40%, like instant. And it was like, oh, where do we go from here?
When the fire happened, it was devastating. And devastating for our customers too, all along Front Street. We made a conscious decision that we would void all of the invoices that had gone out of our customers. We made a conscious decision that we would void all of them. It really hit because these were people like family.
But we noticed that there was still a need, and we had to again adjust how we went about business. And we had customers that would say, can you do this? We need to start to create income. And we said, whoa, this is different for us, but we'll give it a shot. And so we had a number of customers that we flipped from terrible conditions to new pieces of equipment.
I feel like the latest grant that helped the Lahaina fire get new equipment, that was the biggest impact, because I got to see some of these companies get new piece of equipment after losing so much throughout the fire. And they didn't need to actually replace a piece of equipment. They were able to just qualify for the grant and the rebate, which was huge for them, like a welcoming gift back to society.
Once the customer knows that there can be a rebate, they are more apt to purchase the unit. The upfront money comes, it just comes, because the process then is a paid in full receipt, invoice, and that is sent over to Hawaii Energy for proof. There's no delay. I mean, we've lived where we have had customers like, hi, it's a friendly reminder, but not when it involves Walter, Davin, and the Hawaii Energy program. It happens fast. So, we're appreciative for that.
When it comes to Hawaii Energy, it's a done deal. Cash flow is, but we weren't aware of how good it was until we started to really spend more time on it, experience what was going on with customers. So we got lots of work.
If I could sum up the collaboration with Hawaii Energy, I would say this was a huge win for us and for them as well, especially like being able to grow and provide more for everyone else. I could really tell that it impacted us as well as the community.